TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 5, the Nasdaq's off 6, S&Ps are down 2, gold contracts up $1 at $12.5660. We have silver trading up 9 cents, $18.20. Copper is flat at $2.62 a pound. You get light sweet crude up 46 cents, $48.19 a barrel. Notes: the 10-year note flat, 124.21. 30-year bond up 2 ticks, 150, 117. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, they got over a small B point of a potential ABC structure up yesterday, but did not have the volume. That being said, they do have pretty good volume going into their swing points, and I expect those swing points are going to get tested either today or tomorrow because they're right next to those swing highs. King dollar. King dollar's down 28 ticks, 98.945 now. King dollar, folks, is a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. That price projection is 97.030. That is in the shorter term range. Longer term, bottom line is that King dollar failed on price, on volume, the breakout area in November. That sets up a 91 to 92 King dollar in the next 6 months. The euro is trading at 108 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 110.28. Now, the yen you want to watch like a hawk. The reason being is that the yen was the first one to break down. The yen is on its way down to 102. If the pressure stays on the yen, which it has, and the U.S. dollar and the bonds going higher, guess what? This market's going lower. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps. This is what you have happening in the SPY. The SPY out here yesterday, I got down to a price point of, we got down to 231.61. Volume was light. What you actually had yesterday, you had a low, rejection of lower price on lighter volume. What I expect you're going to see out here today, which we have right now, we're 233.52, 233.58 is your benchmark. It couldn't close above it yesterday. I don't expect we're going to see it today either. We're going to take a look at the Dow Industrials. What do you have with the Dow Industrials? The Dow is the weak dog out here. You're up $4. The Dow is quite a way away from getting inside a higher range, which would be 20,653. You know, we're at 20,555 right now. The composite, the NASDAQ composite, we look at the composite. Composite had a great bounce yesterday. Guess what? That's what markets like to do when you see larger downdrafts coming at us. The volatility goes up dramatically, and before the actual downdraft starts on a longer-term basis, you get a couple of these fast counter-trend moves. That's exactly what we got yesterday. We got to a price point today of 58.50. 58.49 was the high yesterday. I expect the rest of the day you're going to see more selling inside the composite as well as the NDX 100. NDX 100 out here also had a nice move yesterday. Counter trend move, went from a price point of 129.40 to 131.07. Bottom line, you got to 131.07 today. Gave it up. And I expect that the battle is on there, number one, but you're going to have lower price. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold wants higher price, folks. You're right next to the swing point right now. Swing point we're talking about is February 2nd. The low of that swing point is 12.51. The high is 12.64. We're going to test the 12.64. This is the second day we've been into the lows of the high. I expect we'll go after it. We'll see whether they get enough volume to take that out. Now, thus far today, you get some heavy volume in this contract. Right now, we've already done 98,000 contracts. And good old notes. The notes and bonds and dollar, folks, are just amazing. They just won't stop. The notes out here today are down 2 ticks. What you have, however, is that you are actually pushing into this with volume. We already have 500,000 contracts in the notes. That's big volume in the notes. That's saying the notes are going to do about 1.3, 1.4 million as they're trying to get into the 125.04. That is a big number. 30-year bond is doing the exact same thing. You had the pickup on volume. Not much movement out here and inside the 30-year, but what you do, you get the pickup in volume as it's pushing into that swing point. And King dollar, it's all about King dollar, folks. It's all about the yen and the euro. A King dollar is a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. Bottom line, can't hold price. King dollar is on its way to 97.030. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
If you're looking to unearth a new financial resource and diversify your financial portfolio, consider the new Market-Safe Core Commodity CD from Everbank. This 5-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to 4 equally weighted commodities: gold, copper, WTI oil, and sugar, in one powerful CD. With no pricing caps, you can potentially earn an unlimited upside payment at maturity if the commodities increase in value across semi-annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There's no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this index CD. Don't miss out. With certain commodities on the rebound, now is the time to take advantage. The March 23rd funding deadline will be here before you know it. So call 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once more, that's 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.